council understood back in 2012-2013 that they needed to rationalise the leisure estate, but also have the desire to improve the overall facilities that were being provided for the residents of Oldham.
Well, at the same time as this was built, Royton was built as well now. That's 2 brand new facilities replacing 4 previous facilities. The idea being that they're more self-sufficient, they're more commercial, built with modern materials, so there'll be less of a subsidy required from the council.
The council decided to procure the new leisure centres with a design and build contract. Wilmot Dixon took responsibility from the early stages of design and coordinated and managed the whole of the design process, from the architects to the mechanical engineers to the structural engineers. That allowed the design to be developed with the most efficient design solutions to make sure that the building was as good as it could be.
This particular site is not necessarily bigger. In some ways it's smaller than the sites it replaces, but it's a better design. It's got more of what the customers need, more of what makes it more commercially sustainable. So the gym, for example, is 80-station gym, replacing a 60-station gym at the large site before. It's got a spinning studio, it's got 2 further dance studios, so there's certainly a better facility for the health and fitness market.
Working with Wilmot Dixon, who are an Oldham-based company, we were able to make sure that we maximise the opportunities for apprenticeships, for training, for new jobs, and making sure that the capital investment that the council were putting into the project could be recycled back into local businesses. We had an agreement with Wilmot Dixon through the construction charter that they would adhere to 50% of the construction value being spent in the borough. Wilmot Dixon were able to surpass the 50% threshold.
We are a council facility, but the standard is sort of private sector standard. If you go up there now, there are people who feel comfortable coming and joining their local leisure centre, but perhaps would feel a little bit intimidated by a private sector operator. But we're very welcoming here. You get a really good range of people of all ages coming and using the facilities.
The leisure centre in Oldham is very much a flagship facility, and it's not just about the leisure offer, the regeneration offer, but it's also about projecting the image that Oldham wants to project, that it's very much open for business, and we are investing in the town centre and facilities like this that provide design and function improvements.
The amount of people that have come through the centre, I don't think anyone expected. I didn't expect it. It's just been constant from morning till night.
Just like the atmosphere, people are nice.
I like the building. We've made a lot of good friends. Have a good social life with it.
Beautiful building, yes. Can't fault that. It's really nice. Spend a lot of money on it, but it's worth it.
All ages, all ethnicities, everybody just gets on. It's a really good atmosphere to be training in here. It really is. Compared to all the other gyms in Oldham, it definitely is anyway, I'll tell you. I've trained at them all.